You will be receiving an email to join a virtual meeting for your very first session. You will click on the link and join the Zoom meeting. Once you are in the meeting, you will see what I'm showing on this screen. I will walk you through a few controls. Down here at the bottom, you will see a mute feature. Please mute yourself during the session if you are not speaking, so we can eliminate any background noise. There is also a stop video feature. We ask for best participation that you're always sharing your video. You can also look at the list of participants by clicking on participants. You can either make it disappear or make it appear. Of course, when you're in the session, you will have multiple participants. This is where you would click for your chat feature. You can send messages to everyone as I have done here. You can type your message in the box and send it to everyone. And when you have multiple participants, you will have a drop down so you can pick each participant that you want to send your message to. You will have the ability to share your screen. If asked to share your screen, simply click on the arrow to share your screen, and you will be able to do so. You can add reactions in the meeting, and this is where you would click when it is time to end the meeting. I hope you found this Zoom session useful, and we look forward to seeing you for our very first session. Thank you.